Greetings. Here we have another interesting question under digital logic design. So given f of ab is equal to a complement or b, then we must be able to find f of x plus y comma z. Okay. So now what you do with this, you have f of something. There is nothing to worry about this. We have to understand that, see, whatever marked under red line here, that means we must be able to show this in this format. That's it. Okay, so let's take our question. Our question is this: f of x plus y comma z. So first of all, we will try to unlock this internal stuff like this one. Okay, so if we express this one in this form, then what do we get? See, as we have f of a comma b, here we have a complement or b. Here what do we have? F of x plus y comma y. So write this in this format. So therefore we get x plus y complement. Now here we get this is r and this is y. Okay, see, f of x plus y complement or y. Now comma z. Okay, so this one we replaced with x or y all complement or y. Okay, now again what do you have? Again, now you compare this with this, you compare this with this one. Now, so how do you tackle this? It's very simple. So f of x or y all complement or y comma z. Now in this case, this will behave like a. Let me use another color. So in this case, this will behave like a. This is like a, and this quantity is like, say, b. Okay. So now simply express this. So what do we get now? Let me use another color. So f of a comma b is a complement or b. So therefore this one we get x or y whole complement or y again whole complement or z. Okay, so this is for this. So this is for this. This complement is for this first quantity here. Now we know from Boolean laws, what we know is this. Say, for example, you have something like a or b whole complement is what? We have a complement and b complement. So I apply this over here. So now what we get? X or y. This is like a x or y. I mean complement is like a. You take its whole complement and y complement. So we are done with this bracket stuff or z. Now x or y complements whole complement is simply x or y. For example, a complement whole complement is a. Okay, so this is x or y and with y complement or c. Okay, let's bracket this. Let us bracket this single entity. This is like x plus x or y. So now you simplify this further. So we get this way. If you simplify this, x y complement or y complement or z. So we know y and y complement is 0. So therefore you have. So therefore we have xy complement or z. Why? So this quantity is 0. Yeah, that's it. Because we know very well, if you have a single variable a, and if you take and with a, you must get again 0. Okay, so this is final answer for this question. All right, thank you.